Hey guys, welcome to your next chapter. Let's talk about symmetry. What is symmetry and how does symmetry work? Before we jump into 3D Studio Max and learn or dig about symmetry, let's understand the concept of symmetry. What is symmetry? So right here, I'm going to search the word symmetry. And when you go to Google, you will realize that there are some cool geometric shapes that can be created with the help of symmetry. So if you design just this side of the design, you can mirror that side. And this dotted line represents the mirror. Same goes with this shape here as well. Here we have another example of this simple tree. So as you can see, you just design this one section of your tree, and then you can mirror the other side, or symmetry the other side. Here's an example of a butterfly. You just model one side or design one side of the butterfly and mirror the other side, or symmetry the other side. So this is the concept of symmetry. There are even many alphabets that are based on symmetrical designs. So here are some examples, as you can see. So these are just simple symmetrical shapes. So with this clarification out of the way, let's check out how in 3D Studio Max we can use symmetry to our advantage. The purpose of symmetry in 3D Studio Max as well is to speed up your workflow, which means any design that's symmetrically perfect, you can just design one side and you can copy the other side. That's the beauty about it. So let's check out a very simple example. So let's say, for example, I am going to use a teapot for now. Okay. And looking at this teapot right here, if I go to modify and in the modifier list apply symmetry, and symmetry gets applied, and you can see this orange plane in the middle acts as that dotted line that I showed you. And right now you can see this symmetry modifier is trying to symmetry this side of the teapot, which is the right side of the teapot, onto the left side, making it look even more unique. All right, so that's how you create symmetry. Now, if you wanted the handle to be symmetried on this side, try to flip this. And what you'll end up creating is something a bit more interesting now. Now, symmetry not only just works on the x-axis, you can also work on the y-axis if needed, but right now we can't see any difference because both the sides are identical, so even if it's making a symmetry, you can't see it. Let's try the z-axis, and there we go. You'll end up getting something like this, which looks pretty cool. Now, you can also hit this little triangle button and play with the mirror. This mirror can be moved up and down, and you can create a shape that's a bit more unique than the previous one. As you can see, you can move your mirror around and get some interesting results. Same goes with the x-axis. Play this and you get a shape that's a lot more unique now. So that's how symmetry works. Again, I would strongly encourage you guys to have fun with it, explore, and see what you guys come up with. With that, thank you so much.